Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course do your own personal you should do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course, if you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend maker trading indicator. Right from the resistance zone here, we had a downtrend. You can see the red flag, which signifies a downtrend, and here is the red arrow, and it shows that we should be selling from there. So you can see it was just a single order, and of course it gave us a lot of profits till it got to this region. Okay, it played around there for a while because here is the support zone. It's supposed to go back on buy trend, but it was unable to go further, so it broke out below the support zone and it is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, okay, but in case it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back into an uptrend, which will give us more buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and of course it kept on selling and selling. There are pullbacks in between, which gives us more opportunity to place more sell orders, and of course got to the support zone and it is still selling. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back on a buy trend. Now let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000. You can see the beauty of the indicator. It got to the support zone, gave us a yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend and a buy signal right from here, and you can see it kept on buying, just a single buy order, and it went all through till it got to this resistance zone, had some pullback but still buying. Okay, if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. So next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Right from the resistance zone, it started the downtrend. We can see it dropping down and down till it got to this region. Okay, and of course if it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back on buy trend, but once it breaks out below it, it will keep on buying. I mean, it will keep on selling rather. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will buy. Okay, so the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be Volatility 75. We can see Volatility 75 right from the support zone. It started an uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back there to break out above the resistance zone, and of course it kept on buying till it got to this region. Okay, so if it breaks out above this, it will keep on buying. For now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above that. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so that is very, very important. So guys, take note of all these and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, put everything into practice very well before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God